In today's video, the FD is going to get a little bit of love.
Seriously, I just had it.
So it's been a little while since I've done any FD videos. I have been doing little projects here and there. I did get the battery relocated and a couple other odds and ends sorted out. Today's a little bit more of a big deal because I obviously have the front end off and we're going to be taking the front clip into the body shop to get some much needed love, attention, and a fresh coat of paint to make this thing look great again. Over the past several years, I have put about 12 or 15,000 miles on this particular car. It's been on 2 hot rod power tours at around 3,000 miles apiece, several road trips, a bunch of track days. I've just had an absolute blast with this car. That being said, when you put miles on a car like this, you're gonna get stone chips and stuff like that, and especially on a track day, your front end will just get peppered because everyone's running sticky tires and slinging gravel your way. So the front bumper is in pretty rough shape. It's seen some better days, but I love the look of it. I love how it fits the car. I do have a spare bumper for it, but I would have to hack and whack my bumper support here just beyond recognition or get rid of it altogether in order to make that fit. And then I would get the dreaded gap right here in my hood. And I just don't want my car to look like that. When you remove that front bumper support, the gap in between your hood and your front bumper tends to go like this, and there's really no other way around that. And that particular bumper, although it looks great, has a little bit of a bigger opening in the front end. I just like the looks of this one a little bit better. Today we're gonna take this thing over to Justin. He's gonna be doing the prep, paint, and make this thing look great again. Although body work might be in my wheelhouse, I just simply don't have the patience for it. I found that out early on, and I'm just too much of a perfectionist to do paint and body work. It makes me crazy. If I see a speck of dust, I'm like, paint the whole thing again. It's ruined, you know. Why don't we take a closer look at what I mean by peppered? I don't know any of the details on this bumper. I don't know what brand it is. I don't know how old it is. I have no idea how many different cars it has been on throughout the years. I can tell you that I do believe it was red at one point and definitely blue at one point, like a baby blue, because you can just see all the blue sticking out and all of the little stone chips in this bumper. It's got a bunch of spider cracking, probably from having way too many layers of paint on it over the years. But I like the way that this looks on the car. I like the fitment with the other panels. So I'm hoping I can kind of resurrect this guy, get it sprayed, get it looking great again, so that I can put it back on the car and just have it looking sharp. I'm gonna take this to my buddy Justin. He's gonna do a great job on it. I'm gonna get some before and some after pics of it. Maybe he'll be kind enough to send me some photos of the during process. I'm sure that he'll probably be kind enough to do that, and I can give him a shout out whenever it's all said and done. For now, let's get the lights out of this thing, get it loaded up, and get it the heck out of here. While we're here at Jam Auto Repair, the bumper is in its temporary new home. Justin's gonna get this guy all fixed up. Got plenty of before. Hopefully he'll be able to get some during pictures, and then we can show you the after. I'm excited. I can't wait to get this project done so that I can get that FD looking chef's kiss again.